catalyst, I think, that takes ADA above this trend line and causes a proper breakout. Could it be another, flash kind of like pump and dump like we saw back here? That's certainly possible, unfortunately. So that is one thing to keep in mind. There could be another speculative pump, and then we're right back to that trend line and continuing to grind along that. But I do think that at the very least, we're going to see kind of like a temporary break above this line. Maybe, I don't know, up to like 85 cents or something. That seems to be a key zone of resistance, just using basic support resistance. You can see that there's a lot of price action clustering around 80 to 85 cents. So maybe, I don't know, from current price of around 65 cents to see a temporary pump, let's say of 30% up to around the 80 cent to 82 cent range as a result of something like this news. That's certainly something that's possible. But of course, it is also possible that ADA could keep grinding along this trend line. But all things considered, guys, I do think, again, the more this trend line is tested, the higher the chance that we're going to see a break above that line. And once that does happen, then ADA is going to be back in a long-term uptrend, essentially. And you could argue, and I would argue that it is still in a long-term uptrend, even with this multi-month downturn that we've seen.